2015 Mercedes E-Class prevention collision is on, so we're gonna dig in and code it all back in and see what happened. Mercedes E-Class, it's come up with this error. Obviously it's been an accident, but this is still on the dash, so we're gonna use this machine, the AUTEL, to code it all back. After doing the diagnostic, this is what it is. So after the accident, it saves this, and what you need to do is go into control unit and you get a few. It's generally a teaching process. That's it, and it'll probably tell us to connect to the internet and put the okay, that's fine. So he's going to start coding bits and bobs in, to be fair. There you go. It's the sun's shining quite a lot, which is good news, but I can't see my screen. So he's going to start doing all this, and hopefully I'll update it to the internet, and it's completed one in the second, and it'll be in the third in the second. So it's waiting for internet connection. You have to disconnect the Bluetooth as well, otherwise it's never going to work. There we are. All good so far. If you remember earlier, I tried to delete the code and it wouldn't let me. So now it's programmed it all back in and reset. You saw it when I tried to delete it, wouldn't delete. Now that I have done everything, coded it all back in and reset it, it's deleted straight away. So if we turn the ignition off, take the key out, and put the key back in, do that, and turn the car on, nothing should come up. So yeah, that's the way to reset it. It usually happens, makes are common for it. As soon as it goes into an accident or triggers any other sensor, it will do that, and you've got to reset it that way.